Second year John. There's our silver. Jason Tatum. Anthony Davis. Nothing really special in that pack. I don't think I got a rookie.